So here we have my combination shotgun muzzleloader, muzzleloader, homemade of course. It's a combination. It can either be used with a shotgun shell. This is a 3/4 inch cap, and there's my firing pin. Or I can use it as a muzzle loader, and here is my cap for my muzzle loader with a muzzle loader nipple tapped, screwed in the end of the nipple. There's a shotgun shell right there. I take the shotgun shell and insert it right in there. Nipple screws in on top of the shotgun shell. And then we take the so to fire my muzzle loader, this is my hammer. I have a little screw going through here, and I've taken the wrench nut driver, took the shank off, and turned it upside down. That's my hammer. And then I use a rubber band on each side to use it. That gives me the wherewithal to hit the firing pin with the hammer to bring support. If it's too light, I add a few more rubber bands. That's essentially the way we do it. 3/4 inch black pipe. And you notice this band right here. The band right here. There's a piece of 1 inch pipe that I put over the chamber area to reinforce the pipe. Just a little inch in. And there you are. And of course the stock and all that is handmade and so forth. But it does the job. And just doing it for fun. Don't ever plan to go hunting. I might go hunting with it. And of course, if I want to use it for a muzzle loader, I take that cap off. I put this cap on. And I use it for a typical muzzle loader, where you pour a certain amount of powder in, tamp it a little bit, and pour a little bit of water. Put a little bit of water on top of the powder, and then I use marbles, gravel, whatever, and it works fine as a muzzle loader. And we'll have a little sample shooting here in just a little bit.
I'll tell you when. Go.
Ready?
Yep. Got it.
Did it shoot that?
Huh?
Did it